Hello and welcome to this video on the health benefits of oats. As they say, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and oats are a great option to start your day with due to their numerous health benefits. Oats, scientifically known as Avena sativa, are a cereal grain that belong to the poshy grass family of plants. They are prized for their nutritional value and health benefits, whether you love or dislike their mushy yet hearty texture when cooked. One of the primary health benefits of oats is their high water and soluble fiber content, which makes them a desirable choice for those attempting to lose weight and control hunger levels. Oats contain several components that are linked to health benefits, including beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to aid digestion, increase satiety, and suppress appetite. Beta-glucan can also bind with cholesterol-rich bile acids in the intestine and transport them through the digestive tract and out of the body. Now, let's take a look at a list of 12 health benefits of oats. 1. Oats are nutritious. They have a well-balanced nutrient profile, with high levels of carbohydrates and fiber, including the powerful fiber beta-glucan. They are also higher in protein and fat than many other grains, and are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant plant compounds, making them one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. 2. Oats are rich in antioxidants. Whole oats are full of antioxidants and polyphenols, which are beneficial plant compounds. The most notable of these are avenanthramides, which are almost exclusively found in oats. Avenanthramides may reduce the risk of heart disease by increasing nitric oxide production, which helps to dilate blood vessels and increase blood flow. Avenanthramides also have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching properties. Oats also contain ferulic acid, another type of antioxidant. 3. Oats contain a powerful soluble fiber. As mentioned before, oats are high in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that partially dissolves in the gut and forms a thick, gel-like solution. This fiber has been shown to lower LDL and total cholesterol levels, reduce blood sugar and insulin response, increase feelings of fullness, and promote the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract. 4. Oats can lower cholesterol levels. High blood cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, which is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Many studies have shown that the beta-glucan fiber found in oats can help lower total and LDL cholesterol levels. Beta-glucan may also reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a critical step in the progression of heart disease. 5. Oats can improve digestive health. The high fiber content of oats, particularly beta-glucan, can help improve bowel function and regularity, and may reduce the risk of digestive disorders such as constipation, diarrhea, and inflammatory bowel disease. Oats may also promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut, which can further improve digestive health. 6. Oats can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. The fiber in oats, particularly beta-glucan, can help to slow down the absorption of glucose in the body, leading to improved blood sugar control and a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. 7. Oats can improve heart health. In addition to their cholesterol-lowering effects, oats may also help to reduce blood pressure and improve arterial function, both of which are important for maintaining. Whether you enjoy them in your morning oatmeal or in other oat-based products like bread, biscuits, or cookies, oats are a nutritious and tasty choice that can benefit your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And remember, starting your day with a healthy breakfast that includes oats can set you up for a successful and nourishing day ahead.